Okay guys, so if you have this issue where you are not able to touch any of the icons, if you're trying to touch, it's not working, I'm going to show you exactly how we can fix this for these phones. But all you have to do is a very quick fix that you can do. If your screen is not damaged physically, I'm going to actually show you how to do this. Analyze your screen for cracks. Also ensure that your screen is not wet. If your screen is wet over time, this can cause your screen to be frozen. So what you want to do, you want to do those things: clean off your phone screen with a dry cloth, ensure that it is not wet, and if it's not touching, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do. Well, the first thing you want to do is a force restart. So you hold the volume down and the power button right here. So you want to hold these two buttons down. You want to keep holding. Everything look froze, nothing is moving. Just keep holding for a few seconds, then you release all the buttons. The phone restart. And it should clear whatever memory was used up in the phone, refreshing the phone. And this is just a function where you can do a force restart. So just by holding the volume down and the power button, your phone will restart. And then let's check to see if we are getting touch. Yeah, everything is touching. So guys, we are actually good to go. Incorrect pin, so let me just enter the pin, and we are getting touch. So this is how you can fix your non-responsive screen for these phones. Guys, I hope that this was helpful. It's a quick fix, guys. So just hold the power button and the volume down, and when you see the screen goes black, then what you need to do is to release all buttons. Phone will restart successfully. That's how you do it. Guys, my name is Lens and I'm out.